Guys, I'm Randy, this is Sho-Me Tint. I'm gonna show you what's going on today. My crew is being a little unruly right now. They're being a total pain in my butt, per usual. Hunter's back from vacay, doing what Hunter does. I can't really tell you on camera because you probably would be scared to bring your car here, probably. I'm just kidding. No, he's good. Hunter, how was vacation? Was it good? Were you hyped? Oh, let me show you what's going on up here. I almost forgot to show you. Tesla Plaid, super fast car. This is my doctor buddy that's out in Alaska right now, probably saving people's lives. And we're working on his car. I love this color on the Tesla Plaid, super sick. He has like 2 baller cars and he acts like they're just like regular. He's like, oh, are they fancy? It's a Tesla Plaid, it's super cool. You know, but he's just like he doesn't know anything about it. Like he didn't just write the check for this thing. No big deal. Nice. This is a C8, right? Stingray. And it's getting the same thing. They're pretty much both in for paint protection. This guy's doing like the full door rocker. This guy, he's like, listen, it's the most I ever spent on a car. I don't want to spare any expense. I want the whole thing protected. I want it done perfect. I'm bringing it directly from the dealership to you. The most he drove this was across town and back. He's here, we're getting it up on, he stayed here, we got it up on ramps. Did the whole thing where he takes a bunch of videos, takes a bunch of shots of it to make sure that we haven't in super care mode, like on 10, turn it up. I love this car. He waited 11 months for it and now he's waiting for us to do our job on it, which is gonna be protected. He's hyped. We're gonna get it all done for him. And we're gonna do some ceramic window film on it. And then we're gonna do some ceramic pro coating on the wheels and the rest of the painted surfaces we don't cover. This, when we're wrapping, this is a full wrap. This is on deck, we call this on deck. This is on deck for the wraps. So we're pulling it in for the prepping work. We're taking off these fancy body kit stuff. Let me show you this. This is pretty wild. So this is cool. This is pretty hip, actually. I dig this kind of stuff. This girl's 19 years old. This is her first build, and she's done a lot of customization. And I think she's all in on the wrap, honestly. Like, she wants this to happen. We're taking off her carbon spoiler. We're taking off her body kit. This is how we do it. Pop it loose. There's like 75,000 screws. 75,000? 75? Oh yeah, 75 to 85,000 screws. You know what I mean? We got to keep track of all these parts. She said, she came by yesterday. She said, I don't know how she put it, but she said something like, getting all this stuff on there was a challenge, basically. And she doesn't know how we're going to keep track of all the stuff going back on. She was stressed out. So we're going to kill it. We're going to make it super cool. I'm even going to get this little dent fixed for her. It was kind of like, she's all in on her budget right now, but I'm gonna make it work for her. I'm gonna get it hooked up. It's gonna tie it into the build and get it done for her. But yeah, so we're excited about this. You'll see some good videos of that. This guy is coming in to get the mirrors wrapped black. You guys wanna see the pink Porsche one more time? It's almost done. Pink Porsche going down. Pink. Someone said that, you know, look at this, pink Porsche. Oh man, it'd be so sick. You know, there's a lot to reassembly, deassembly. There's more chances you're gonna break something. Hunter's getting with it, look. Nice job, Hunter. He's labeling stuff. Because I'm sure a year from now when we put this thing back together, he's gonna have a hard time remembering what all went everywhere. What generally happens is we save everything and then we go to do it, we just buy all new stuff. And then he goes to the store 15 times. He's like having a really bad girlfriend. He'll be like, I just need to go shopping one more time, you know what I mean? So no big deal. Lauren's in there doing some estimates. Sell some tint, Lauren. Summer day. Oh, dude, look, I got myself into the biggest problem, for real. You know me and my big mouth, I'll get myself into lots of work. And there's a truck outside that I've got to wrap in paint protection. And I guarantee you, if you're a paint protection seller and you're watching this, you're gonna be like, oh my God. You wanna see it? Look at this thing. This right here. Oh my God. Not a big deal till you get to the back. Look at that dually fender. I like specialize in dually fenders, which is like saying I specialize in like I'm a specialist heart doctor. That's super hard. That's super tough. And that's like next level. You don't got it if you can't get it. I'm telling you. But it's gonna be a lot of work. We'll make it happen, I hope. I'm not got stumped yet, but it's gonna be super tough. I'm not really looking forward to it. The only part I really look forward to is when I actually do it. But man, look at the curves on this. I'm gonna try to do it all in one piece. So I'll take some photos. Yeah, we're gonna do the whole bed, the whole dually fender. We're gonna do rockers down here, across the bottom, and we're gonna do the front clip. Super custom, gonna take a lot of time. I'm gonna knock it out of the park for them. I'm like, oh, home run. We got this, no big deal. All right, let's go see what the guys are doing. Here's something we tinted today, guys. There's no good time or bad time to tint a skid steer. Oh my God, you know what? Honestly, every time my employees make me upset or cranky, I'm just so thankful that I don't have to do this kind of work anymore. I used to have to do these all myself, legitimately. This is a tough job. These tough, look at all this hardware and stuff they gotta go around. I helped him for a little bit this morning, get this glass lined out, but dude, super tough. All these latches, and then you got all these like slider pieces in here. Ugh. Dude, yeah, for real. This is not a good time. Now that they have it done, they're gonna be super pumped. It'll be great for doing like skid steer stuff. I don't even know what people do with these. I've tinted like 1,000 of them, and I don't even know if I've ever done anything cool with one. Well, let's go see what's happening. Let's go see what's going on. So my guys, dude, like they wanna like wrap their own car. So I said, listen, you wanna learn, I will teach you. I'm gonna buy the roll, and they've been practicing at home. So these guys are like peas in a pod. They're on my team. I call them my A-team. They have the same car. They're both wrapping their cars. You look over there, you'll see the other one getting wrapped. Every day we kind of work on a piece and how to do it. This dude right here got me. This roll was like $1,200. Super nice roll. You just had to pick the most fanciest color. A lot of metallic in it. They're doing really good. You know what I mean? I encourage learning. I love teaching these guys how to do stuff. Look at that, that looks good. But they be driving around all mismatched colors. The Mustang bros, the Mustang bros. Lewis went with blue, he went with red. Different kind of blue, Enzotech. Tonight they're gonna try to do these pieces. Got the rear bumper on here. Needs a little work on his inlays, but that's what, practicing on your own car is the way to do it, you know what I mean? You don't want us practicing on your cars, customers hate that. Guys, I wanted to stop by, show you my two troublemakers. These guys right here are a pain in the butt. They're getting pretty good though. How long have you been learning now? 6 months?
6 months.
2 years? Yeah, I ain't here to do no learning. So these are the guys I showed you their Mustangs outside. He's got the red one, you got the blue one, going red glue. Both learning on your own, two different materials. Enzotech, and what's yours, APA or something? Yeah, it's super sick. Different thicknesses, different techniques, but they're learning really fast. It's coming together really quick. Everything I've thrown at them, they're getting it together. So I'm excited to see them get it all wrapped up, you know what I mean? So that way I can put them on a job. You guys gonna be wrapping cars free? Know it. Making money. That's what we want. I'm gonna take this letter off. This is the last letter. No, it's not coming off. What the hell? Did you guys try taking it off? Oh my God. Jesus, yeah, I don't doubt it. I do not doubt it. This had some really bad stripes on it. We removed them, and we're putting some new dual rally stripes on it. Well, this guy had some dual rally stripes on here, and they vinyl cracked. They were super bad. There might be a video or two of it in there. We removed them. It took hours and hours of time, and we're gonna reinstall them. It's gonna look brand new again. We didn't damage the paint. We had to remove the hood scoop with like rivets. This is just our daily job. Like, look at it, check this out. I think this had 715 horsepower. This is right there. Shelby scoop, removed. I couldn't imagine being the guy who put this thing in. Drilling holes in somebody's car is just like the last thing I want to do. I'll do it if you want to write the check for it. I'll do it for sure. But I just couldn't. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 85 holes or something. Something like that. All right, well, let's go show you what's going on. Do something with your life, not run a microwave. You notice I had this place cleaned up for you over the weekend? Let's go see what they're doing down here at the tint shop. I know my dude Ramon's working on a special project. Guys, we made it down to the tint shop. Everybody's kind of bailing out early today, but my dude Ramon over here hustling it out. I'll show you what he's working on. Kind of a wild wrap. Jamon, you in here? Okay, good. Look at this. Electrifying. Look. Psst, psst. Is it coming out of my finger? Do some like crazy like sound, like visual effect where it looks like real lightning. And then I touch it. You hear that? This is what it looks like before you get going. All right. Ramon started back in the day, back before we may not have been busy with tint all the time. Like we would just be like, have some tint jobs, and then if you had a hood to wrap, we'd do that too. And so now Ramon being cross-trained helps him stay busy after we get all the tint jobs caught up. He's like, all right, I'll wrap this truck for you too real quick. So that's what we're working on with some of the other guys too, just to try to help them be more versatile with the projects that we have versus what's on the schedule, you know. This is looking really good. Ramon, this looks great. Got the cab corner, the hood. Man, this thing, it's coming together quick. Fitch Electric's gonna be happy. We love him, he's awesome. what's his name? Richard? Richard. I always call him Fitch Electric. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. I can't wait to get it out the door. Guys, I appreciate you checking it out. I hope you find it as fun as we do. Stop by the shop sometime, check it out. I got some new shirts dropping. If you watch all the way in the video, you're gonna know some new shirts about to drop. So, you know, if you swing by, I'll probably throw you one. You know what I mean? So, but you gotta be quick. When you see them pop up on the video or social media, make sure you can be like, head up, because they're gonna be gone. I guarantee it, like that. I didn't even get larges last time, so no big deal. I'll probably have to help Ramon for a little bit. And I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you have fun. Thanks for checking it out. Make sure you like it, subscribe. It really helps us out. Obviously, we're trying to get our name out there and, you know, bring you guys more content, more cool stuff. So thank you. All right. Peace out. Look good? You love it? I think it does.